right, guys. Well, I'm over here at East Tennessee Luxury Coach. This is a Prevost related video. And I'm over here, I'm getting some work done on my coach right there. At the same time, going to look at 2 or 3 units that are here that customers want to sell. Going to try to make offers on and try to buy. This is a service video for Prevost, whatever you want to say. And I'm at East Tennessee Luxury Coach. For those of you who don't know, a good, really good, close personal friend of mine. Well, we started out as a business relationship and we quickly became friends. Jeff Rowe owned this business for years. He opened this business, and unfortunately he passed away in February. And we didn't really know what was going to happen with this business, but Josh, his son, has taken over and done a fantastic job and has really just cleaned the place up and just done an outstanding job of revitalizing and kind of reimagining the business. So I'm here getting some service done, and I want to do a video highlighting their business and their service. They have a tremendous lot here before. I bought a ton of motorhomes through Jeff and his customers. So I feel that it's necessary to explain to you that it's still great service here. Now, Jeff's passed away, and yes, some of his amazing knowledge on Liberty Motorhomes is gone. That can't come back, but he left some amazing technicians, and his son is here, and they're keeping the business up. And if you have a Prevost and you're wanting anything done to a bus, this is the place to come. They've got like 30 spots of power you can plug in. They come out to your coach and do the work. They have a full lift in there. They can do chassis work, just about anything you want to get done. Today I'm getting some bus air work done, some cruise air work, some air leaks. So the moral of the story is, folks, it's a tremendous place to come get work done. In some ways better, and in some ways it's not the same, but I think it's all positive. And if you need some work done on your Prevost bus, please call Josh at East Tennessee Luxury Coach. They are amazing folks. They are going to do you right every time. All right, Josh, we're in the shop here. I'm telling the people about your shop. Obviously, Dad passed away. This is Josh. Isn't that awesome? We're in the shop here. We know you can do it. We know you can do about anything to a Prevost. I know that, and I think most people know that. That's still true today, right?
Yeah, for the most part, yeah.
Anything?
Basically the same thing we've done for the last 12 years.
And people can stay in their coach too. I think most people don't realize that about East Tennessee Luxury Coach is you can travel here, be traveling up and down 75, and they can stay in their coach plugged in. You even have water available. And do you have a dump station? Dump station, water available, 50 amp power while you're working on their coach. I don't think I picked a good time to do this. But 50 amp power, water, sewer. I mean, does it get any better than that? And they can do just about anything to a Prevost. So step up and down 75. You can get some work done here at East Tennessee Luxury Coach. All the same crew that they had before, still here, going strong. Check out their website too, EastTennesseeLuxuryCoach.com or ETLC.com. EastTennesseeLuxuryCoach.com. Call Josh. I keep saying Jeff. I want to say Jeff. I'm so used to saying Jeff. Please forgive me, but there you go. Don't forget these people. They're still here doing great work. I still trust them, even though Jeff's not here. I didn't really like this guy before. All right, maybe that's a lie. So less than 10 minutes, what is it, 5 minutes, Bobby, to the restaurant we just ate at?
Yes.
Less than 5 miles is a couple of really cool restaurants. A real nice Mexican restaurant. I mean, like, awesome food. And then there's a place called Victory Bar and Grill. They got excellent, like, bar food, cheeseburgers and, you know, fries and that kind of stuff. So right there in Venoer, just less than 5 minutes from East Tennessee Luxury Coach there. So give them a try. If you had previously used them and you're concerned, that because Jeff is gone that you're not going to get the same service. I don't think that's the case. Yeah, some of the knowledge is probably not there, again, like I mentioned, but maybe some things have improved, so definitely don't discount them. We like coming here when we have to get our bus work done. It's just a great place to come hang out, honestly. Even if you spend a couple, 2 or 3 days here, it's a wonderful place to hang out. We really enjoy it. There's a lot to do in the area. Knoxville's only 30-40 minutes away. They got a beautifully secure lot with a locked gate. You can come and go as you please, and just got a really nice area.